Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are testing an interesting idea in power electronics. Can we increase rectifier current by connecting extra diodes in parallel? This bridge rectifier is rated for 35 amps. To increase current handling, additional diodes are connected in parallel. Four 1N5408 diodes are added to share part of the current load. In theory, parallel diodes can distribute current, but in practice, current sharing is not always balanced. Small voltage differences between diodes can create uneven load sharing. One diode may carry more current than others. This can increase temperature and reduce reliability. Heat becomes a critical factor in parallel rectifier circuits. Proper cooling is necessary for stable performance. This method can work for light current boosting, but it is not a perfect replacement for a higher current rectifier. For long-term use, a properly rated bridge rectifier is always safer.
Advantages: low-cost method to slightly increase current capacity without replacing the rectifier. Simple modification for experimental projects. Can reduce load stress on the main rectifier in light-duty applications. Useful for temporary testing or prototype circuits.
Disadvantages: current sharing between diodes is rarely equal. One diode may carry more current than others. Uneven heating can reduce reliability. Increased risk of thermal runaway. Not suitable for high current or long-term operation. Requires good heat dissipation for stable performance. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this experiment useful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next electronics project. Stay creative and keep experimenting.